the treads don't quite meet the stringer. So there's big gaps here, which means the wall is moved and the stairs are now settling and shifting, and they're very squeaky, and this should be repaired and glued back together. And it usually can be done underneath with some wire cable or a turnbuckle to pull the walls together.
Open. You can access it from downstairs,
Okay.
because I looked.
Yeah, this should be fixed immediately. I don't know if you play piano or not, but we don't want real heavy stuff coming in here. When we first came in, we took a look at these stairs, and the stairs are not connected into their structural stringer. So the stairs need to be reinforced and bolted together and drawn together with a turnbuckle or some kind of threaded rod so that we can pull the squeaks and the structural separation out of the stairs. It all needs to be glued back. This lumber that we're seeing here on the floor, this is what's underneath all of the hardwood upstairs.
Subfloor.
It's a subfloor, right, and you can't just screw the hardwood into soft pine and expect it to not come loose. So the hardwood would need to be screwed down into the floor joist, and then it won't come loose. Now on this section, the floor joists are running this way, so wherever the floor is soft, what I'd have you do is drill a couple of holes a foot apart right next to a joist, go upstairs and snap a chalk line between those two holes. You with me? And then every 16 inches you'll find another joist. This is a ledger board, and ledger board is installed to carry the weight of the floor joists above. This ledger board is not properly bolted. It's got some 20 penny nails that are driven into the sheathing of the siding, and that is not adequate to carry the weight of the entire floor up there. So we need to bolt this ledger board in place based on my training and experience. Secondly, this whole area was dug out and jackhammered when the concrete was removed when they repaired this sewer line here. All of this plywood needs to come out, and new concrete needs to be poured in this area, or this building will get overrun with mice over the short term. Notice the new plumbing up on the ceiling, the white PVC. So there's been major plumbing work in this area, and I think more plumbing work is coming.